In this video, I'm going to show you what is guided access and how to enable it on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings, go to accessibility, and there scroll all the way down until you find guided access, get into it, and now you can enable that option. What is guided access? Guided access keeps the iPhone in a single app and allows you to control which features are available. To start guided access, triple click the side button in the app you want to use. Side button means power button, the right button. So first I enable guided access and now I can do the following. So let me open up, for example, Facebook. Now, while I'm using on Facebook, I can hop out and go to another app. But if I make triple click on that power button and tap start guiding access and enter there a passcode, confirm that. Now guided access was started and I can't hop out of the Facebook. I will stay just on Facebook and I can't use any other features of the phone. I can open control center and do nothing except using Facebook app. So now to stop guided access, triple tap at power button again, confirm this action by entering passcode, and if I want to resume guided access, I can tap on resume, and if I want to end guided access, I can tap there on end, and now guided access was ended and I can continue using my iPhone like I normally would. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.